Hey, okay. Today is Sunday, February 2nd. I don't even need a watch to tell you guys. Black History Month in this thing. Black History Month in this. Okay, so it's actually pretty warm out. I think it's like 70 degrees today, which I live in Colorado, so 70 in February is like, ah. So we're going to get ready. I am fitted with my leisure athletic wear. So we're gonna go to Red Rocks open space and we're gonna go get our little walk hike on. Also, it's supposed to be snowing tomorrow and I think Tuesday. So, and like, I think the high is 18 on Tuesday. So the company that I work for is like, prepare for a snow day. I don't know if we're gonna have a snow day, but either way, I'm gonna go to the grocery store and get some groceries and things. I've been using that app that I showed you guys. It's actually pretty cool. I've made 2 meals so far off of it and I have 1 more to go. So I'm probably gonna make that last meal today and then I'm gonna plan a new meal plan and then I'm gonna go grocery shopping.
She's gonna let me help.
And so now Sai's here. Sai, super short show. What do you gotta say to the people?
Hellos. We are taking Icarus to Red Rocks.
We are taking Icarus to Red Rock, open space, open space, open space.
What is Red Rock open space?
You know where we go.
Can you guys help me?
Hey, can you put my water bottle, make sure it's filled with water? Put it in the fridge, please. Make sure it's nice and cold.
Ow!
Make sure your no. Make sure that your water bottle is filled with water too.
I'm a nerd.
Some like I'm nerdy. Those are my Harry Potter costume glasses. Okay, water bottles.
Oh yeah.
So yeah.
How can we stand these?
I just wonder in some people's lives, do they have children and their lives are just like, ah? Or is it just the chaos always? Anywho, Sai's gonna help me meal plan, I guess. So I'm gonna meal plan, go to the grocery, get the stuff for the meals, and then bring my butt back home. I think that's pretty much it. I should have been posting videos today, like this morning, but I may have to wait till we come back after I like make lunch and all that jazz, and then edit it during nap time or whatever. But I'm just excited. It's so nice out, you guys. And it's 11:46, so your girl is not good at getting up early and like getting a move on the day. That's like not my forte. But hear me out. At least I'm up. Sai was up at 5 something this morning, so I know after this hike he's about to be knocked. I'm about to hit him with the old razzle dazzle. So yeah. Ooh, also we gotta call my grandfather when we get in the car. So check back in soon. Bye.
To be selfish with you, I only want to see the truth. I want to eliminate the unnecessary. My vision's never been so clear.
You're so dramatic.
See? Even Icarus is sliding.
We're out enjoying our hike, you guys. It's slightly muddy.
Sai's not taking another step unless we go to the car.
Sai doesn't want to take another step, which is unfortunate because I guess he'll be stuck here.
Icarus! Hey, Rock, for safety!
Come on, I'm leaving you.
Ew, 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 ew! Icarus!
It's so beautiful.
Ew, it's raining.
And they have arrived.
Yuck, ew. I'm never taking a hike like this again.
It feels good in here.
Except for my shoes.
Should have wore your hiking shoes.
I'm resting my head on your shoulder. You're keeping a tight grip on me. We're wrapped up in honey. There's so bitter.
Just like this, look. Come here.
Okay. Icarus.
Thank you. It's simply, all you have to do is just like press that button. Okay. Thank you.
I'll take one a little closer.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Gross.
Cause baby, you've got me blind to all those other people. All those other people. You know you're the reason.
Okay. We almost all just fell. Whoa, it's so muddy. Saya started sliding. So then Icarus started sliding. So then I was laughing, I was gonna record it, and then I started sliding.
And then Matt said be careful, then Matt started sliding. But me and Icarus had the longest slide.
So, that's okay. It's winter here still, but it's fine.
You saw me and Icarus sliding?
Other people.
How many types of cookies they have?
They have dark chocolate chunk, double fudge, white chocolate macadamia nut, and peanut butter.
Guys, tired. Ignore the fact that my tree is still up. It's February. Okay, we're back home. And now we're gonna get ready to cook. So yeah, here we go.
I like to fight a little dirty.